In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can recover your chess.com account on both PC and mobile. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just let them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. What you're going to want to do is first go to chess.com, whether it's the app or the website, and look down in the bottom left corner and you're going to see a little settings gear. Go ahead and select that and then choose help and support, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this with like a little AI chatbot. Select start conversation, and once you are on this, it's going to load you with a few different options. Go ahead and hit this little search article option and type in account recovery. Hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this, and it's going to show you a bunch of different options on here. If any of these articles match your situation, go ahead and select that. If they don't fully solve your issue, go ahead and select get more help. It's going to load for a second, and then you'll be able to type in a specific message right here that describes your issue. Just say that you're trying to recover your chess.com account, and then they'll put you in support with a real agent, not an AI agent, who will help you get your account back. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.